Wait lang. Yes, day.
Magtanggal na lang pala ko ito. Pero makita kasi yung ano ko dito. Hindi na po.
Mag-cover ako.
Something dumi.
Yan, yung paper. Kind of. Oh, no, nakikita na pala. Ganyan lang.
Pero kamis nagkaroon dito.
Super. So, drawing pa ako.
Wala ko kasi ano sagot. Sabi lang ilagay daw yung sa science. Nag-drawing lang ako sa science.
Hello, cutie! Wait, I like the eyes.
Thank you so much, guys.
It's giving. Anong country?
America.
USA?
USA.
Alin? Ato sa'yo. No, what I mean pala?
Subscribe to the
Wait, like, hindi na kaya kakaman ko na din mo. Like, ito mismo lang. Ay, mo daw po na ano eh. Ay, ako lang pala yun. Kaya safe pala kayo. Suntukin mo sa Manila. I know, parang body lang. Hindi naman ganito mukha ko.
Na, kumain nga ako ng turog ng cheese stick sa araw. Natanggal yung wire ng freezer.
Nahuli kami ni Sir Eric tsaka ni Sir Isa. Rose to ano naman ginagawa namin doon? Nagpa-practicum. Mari, Sir! Timing! Sabi ni Sir Eric, sabi ni Sir Eric, ano ginagawa dito? Nagpa-practice teaching? Hindi lang, Sir.
Hindi pa nga nag-deploy na ano ka na. May yung dito? Ay, hindi na ka na. Akala ko si Edgar.
Ay, nag-enjoy na naman.
Si Edgar. Yung first natin, yung first movie na hindi early bird. Ano yung mga? Bubat? Ay, nag-estudyante ka pala kita, no? Hello po. Dapat masaya kayo, yun yung ano natin. Personality natin. Parang ramdam ko na yung tawag ko eh. Parang yung freshness natin.
Talaga walang pasok.
Pero she's dependent ka na.
Hindi na mag-ibig.
Hi! Birthday! Nakawish kayo? Nakawish ba? Sabi ko sa inyo? What did I tell you? Balik lang.
John. Asa? Aking gawin yung wala naman yan. Wala problema.
Uy, dapat daw manalo yung BSN.
Hi, nako. Rachel, nag-off ako si Juliet para hindi ako makasalita ko pa kayo. Bakit ba tayo naka-circle? Parang ano mo? Open phone.
Baka tayo sasabihin ka. Actually, oo. Alam mo, di ba yun siya? Gusto niya daw ng mic.
Dapat yung start ko na hindi naman sa ano, pero... Disclaimer, ano?
Sana hindi ka masaktan.
Ay! Bakit siya pinapagawa mo?
Kasi lahat sila ko sa'yo. Mapagano ako ulit na yung mga.
May balik ka? Walang mga photography. Senior. Yung kasi si Rita na sa magawa. Okay, mga waiting. Kumain muna tayo. Kayo na na. Hindi na dali na. Dali na. Seniors, mauna. Ribbon cutting yan.
Hoy, talaga ba?
Gusto mo
Ay, ang dahuna.
Good afternoon. So, time na babe. Let's eat daw muna first. So, kuha na kayo ng food here. And, mga baso. Mauna na kayo.
Magkakasakto, hindi mo kumuha.
Okay. Go na guys.
Guys, pag-lumpia may guys, picture lang. Ano lang?
Hoy, mga student. Yung mga Halika, mga isipin. Hindi, papangit ako na. Camera.
Flash ko yan.
Crack. our first meeting again. This school year ba? Yeah, this school year. And we have here our new members. Can you please stand up? Mag-welcome, mag-welcome. Congratulations for being this far. And of course, for choosing the Horizon. I know na sobrang daming ibang organization na pwede nyo i-venture and still you choose this org na we work hard building this for the past year. And I'm very grateful and we will try our best to make your experience here memorable and treasurable pagdating nyo sa senior year nyo. And can we have introductions sa inyo guys? So that we can also know you better. Yes! Kaya tayo mag-start. Dito. Ang button point. Dito kayo carry sila.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Captain Bas. I'm 20. I'm from the Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education. And I'm actually a senior. And ngayon ako na audition dito sa Horizon. For
Anong meaning? Right?
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. I am Ryan Vincent Sinumico. I am from the Bachelor of Elementary Education and I am 19 years old. And actually, I was hesitant at first at joining the Horizon since it was, I think it was a decision I made from my first year. But I think I was hesitant because I think people like, parang magagaling ko yung mga tao na nandito, ako parang kinakabahan ako. I lack the skills. But eventually, right now, I'm a second year student, then I think I decided that maybe this is the time that I should actually make my decision.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dan Gordon Vergara. I'm from Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education. I'm a freshman. At first, I'm hesitant to join the Horizon since during the last time it's really I was sick po talaga and parang hindi ko kaya mag-pass ng file ko that time. Pero thank God nakapasa ko yung
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Liz
Rachel, everyone. I'm sorry po. Ganito ang process. My name is Aliyah. You can call me Leia po or Aliyah. So I came from the same program as my friends. We said English from Field.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arthur Masabina, and I am also from BSN 1.
Lesson number one, I am Ryan from UBS, and you can call me Ed. I am from BSN 1.
And the last one.
Hi everyone. So I'm Hatsna Abayoni from BSN 1. You can call me Hats.
Laban mo yan.
Kabar.
Sige na, pupunta tayo.
Yay.
So welcome everybody. Your other seniors could not be here because they have prior commitments as well as the other students. But I'm really happy that at least half of you are here. No? Kailangan pa. Hindi ko kasi sinabi ngayon. Kasi hindi. Sa Edward ko lang pala yung sinabi. So, kaya dito yung mga Edward at sila present. And this is actually not The CPL. The CPL. Sige po, kahit ano lang, just that. The roles and the rules, and then we also have the snapshots and whatnot. Okay? Para aware tayo lahat. Sama? Kayo na lang dalawa. Ba, sabi ko dalawa. Gusto na yung dalawa. Yung important next lang. Responsibilities.
Okay, so article number 3 na Constitution and bylaws natin includes the rights and responsibilities of all members. So section 1 states that the horizon shall uphold quality and fairness among its members, and under no circumstance shall any of its members be deprived of their right to expression, suffrage, and recognition subject to the provisions of the organization's constitution and bylaws. So the following are the rights of all members of this organization. So first, we have the right to express the right to expression and due process, the right to attend seminars and workshops conducted or sponsored by the Horizon, and the right to be informed about the status of tasks submitted to the publication. In section 3, the following are the duties and responsibilities of the organization's members. So please take note. First, to read and understand our organization's constitution and bylaws. Kasi minsan, nakakalimutan talaga siya. So please, before you do something, you read the constitution and bylaws. Second, to submit all designated tasks on time. Kasi there's maintenance yan siya. May calendar of activities on time. So in order to avoid any delays or like issues sa get natin, you have to make sure that you submit them kung kailan na nasasabihin sa video.
Next is about that, no? Sa submission ng tasks. May mga times talaga na biglaan lang na wala talaga tayong time to do the tasks, no? Maybe midterms or finals, and we totally get it. Pwede lang naman ipasa sa ibang member as long as you do it beforehand. Example, i-estimate nyo, parang busy kayo this week. Sabihan nyo lang yung DIC nyo or yung head nyo na, ate, kuya, baka pwede sa iba muna kasi may gagawin pa ako ganun. Ganun, pwede. Kapag hindi na talaga kaya. If the task or the activities would already burden your academics, because dito sa org, we really take academics seriously. So, hindi pwede na ma-absent kayo sa klase para lang participate kayo sa mga activities or may gagawin kayong tasks. Okay? So, focus pa rin is your academics. Pero yun na, since you entered this org and you willingly put on this commission, so make sure na wala rin maabala kapag hindi kayo naka-perform. Ganun. So you inform your heads beforehand kapag hindi nyo talaga kaya yung task. But here's the thing. Wag din abusuin. Yun yun. Hindi pwede na all the time, hindi ako pwede kasi ganito, kasi ganyan. Pero may time mag-boulevard, may time mag-live, TikTok, at Facebook. So yun na yun, no? It would be unfair to the members na sasalo ng work. Remember that this work functions as a team. Kapag iniwan mo yung responsibility mo, mabibigatan yung ibang members. Pwede naman i-shoulder, pero not all the time. Okay? Kapag hindi lang talaga kaya or you are very busy. Pero usually kasi, wala naman tayong big activities or events or tasks, lalo na pag finals. Diba? Posting lang, and then, yun na, we don't really disturb the members. Kasi aware din kami na busy talaga at that time. Pero during big events, like for example, the ORSEM, palaro, most especially, so yan yung busiest time natin, as well as alumni meeting. day or 2 days. Hindi talaga umaabot ng weeks. And we pride ourselves for that kasi hindi lahat ng publication boards kayang gawin yun. Ha? Kahit yung digest, it takes them quite a long time to post. I know that kasi number din ako dati ng digest. No? Ano talaga? Iba talaga yung schedule kasi ibang copy. Pero ito kasi, kapag ngayon, kasi sa CPE, wala kasi ang French class sa lahat. Like for example, sa ORSEM, this coming ORSEM, yung mga seniors nyo may class sa French sila. Correct no? Class ka rin. So yung mga newbies natin, the freshies, kaya talaga yan, we would expect you to take on tasks because you are the ones who will be there at the end. Aside from that, kapag may access kayo to news, like for example, number kayo ng ESC, or kapag sa BKS, meron kayong mga events, inform the org in advance para makover natin. Okay? Kasi sayang naman, walang nakaka-picture. Diba? Memories din yun, something to look back on for the CPE students. Okay? Maraming BKS pa naman dito, dagdag pa talaga yan. Maraming silang activities. Ba't ang tahimik? Sige na. Okay, so much for that. No? That was my piece. Ngayon, segue muna tayo because we forgot to actually introduce the editorial board and the senior members. Baka sabihin niya, sino ano sila? Oh, nasa harap. Pinapagkakita. Okay, sige, Michelle. And the editorial board, please. Editor. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Asha Bajesiman, and I'm from DSF4B, and I'm a cartoonist, and aside from that, I'm also an advocacy. Ako yung assigned sa postings na page. Yung mga pinupost ng page. Kasi kami yung nag-arrange para ma-post siya, like, para nag-post siya on the same day as much as possible.
Okay, so good evening everyone. I am Fidel A. Antorian from BSN4A, major in General Sciences. So I am the head photojournalist of the Horizon.
Good day, everyone. So my name is Rika. I am from DSN4B. Ako yung head journalist.
Good day everyone, I am Mark Gabriel Abanigo. I am from BSN2B and I am the news editor of this publication.
So, good day, everyone. I am Maria Juliana Isabel Giragay, the main podcast June. So I am the feature editor of the publication as well as the associate editor.
Double job.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Afternoon, evening, guys. Good afternoon. I am Michelle Adventania, and I am your editor-in-chief as well as a writer in the publication.
Weird guy. Parang may Okay, so going back to the tasks, we've already established na kailangan early mag-submit o ngayon yung tanong, kanina i-submit. So, meron tayo kanina nag-introduce tayo ng mga heads natin. So, we have the head layout artist, si Angel for the puppets. Si Angel for the puppets, so nasa dito. And si Nikki for the newsletter. So, if example yung task nyo will fall under their category, sa kanila kayo masasagot. Sa news naman, we have two, news and feature. So, our head news writer is si Mazam, si Mark. And then for feature, we have Liliana. So, before meron kami literary, pero na-transfer siya ng school. So, we're actually looking for a literary head. So, if we have one na parang interested talaga sa literary, so maybe, that spot is for you. Mag-open tayo. Literary submissions. And then, we have sa photos. So, lahat ng mga photos, yung mag-oversee nun is si Judiel. But, in terms of facilitating, expect na sila atin yung mag-guide sa inyo. Kasi, Judiel is already a fourth year. And if mag-off campus yan sila, sa graduation na natin yun sila makikita. Ito ba? Pag cartoonist naman, lahat ng mga cartoonists, they will submit their works kay Abby so that, seamless tayo. So, for what reason ba kailangan by category tayo, by position tayo mag-submit? Kasi, yung flow kasi na tasks natin is dadaan mo na yung activities or yung output nyo sa mga heads, and then from the heads, mapupunta sa associate editor, and then sa kasi Michelle, magre-review ng ginawa nyo. And then, of course, yung may final say, ako yun. Okay? So, if example, nag-effort talaga kayo, we had actually a member before na, they found it hard na hindi natatanggap yung output nila. Na nag-effort naman daw. Okay naman, nag-effort talaga. But then you also have standards. So you should expect na not everything that you give us will be posted. There are times that we will ask you to revise, to review, kasi kailangan quality yung mag-produce natin. Ano nangyayari kapag hindi quality yung content natin? Nababash tayo sa table. Okay? But anyway, kidding aside, nakakahiya siya. No? We're actually benchmarking sa tayo yung benchmark ng mga publication ng CTE. In fact, sa SU, wala pa sila. And they're actually having the horizon as their institution kasi gagawa rin sila sa kanila. No? So, kailangan, if we're going to model how journalism should be done, we do it properly. Hindi pwede yung gagawin natin. And if ever man na-reject yung work nyo, don't take it personal, no? Hindi yan siya, trippings lang namin na hindi namin natanggap kasi ganito, kasi ganyan. We are protecting the organization and we're also protecting you. Kasi pangalan nyo ang nakalagay sa credits. Okay? For the writers, please talaga counter-check the names, the organizations involved para iwas tayo sa gulo. Basta yun na yun. Okay, ano ba rin sa'yo? Assumptions? Sa kanila siguro sa may resigns talaga. Sabay ba talaga? Ano na yan? Okay na yan. The rest of the contents of the CTL, tayo na yung mag-review. Kasi baka aabot tayo ng bukas. Okay. Do you have your own personal cameras? Okay. You can bow that. Okay, it's fine. You can use your phone. Okay? Wala namang kaso. Okay? We're after the quality. Ibig sabihin naman yun, no? Kapag magaling ka kung mukha, kasi nakakalinis. Okay, so tomorrow, do you all have classes? Pwede kayong mag-visit sa event? Pwede. Pwede. Sure ka wala klase? Sure ka? Basta nag-pressure ka na. Naka-absent ka. Okay, sige. And then, hindi pwede ka. Wala klase. Ay. Ano, pwede? Okay lang. Sige. So, lahat ng mga TV journalists, okay. Sila na ba? Ilan?
Si Janet, nasa lang sa nagising ng going sa
Ito na, tawag ko ba? O sige na. So lahat ng mga pa na George will be covering the event tomorrow. So bring your cameras, your phones, and just be ready. Ha? So yung facilitator nyo will be si Alvin. Ano yun si Alvin? So Alvin, alam nyo na anong gawin nyo. Sabot-sabot mo na anong yung gagawin. And then, you guide them. Ha? For the writers, okay, ayun na, walang klase. Lahat kayo present, ha? Mga writers natin. Sabi si ano writer din? Ay, dali out. So, kayong tatlo. At sino kayong writer? Si Royer? Ay.
Writer din na.
Oo, parang ako ata yung OBS.
Sa amin, kasi ko tapos yung sa EXP.
Sige na, yung mga walang klase, be at the venue. Okay? So, paano ba yun siya? Kaya na wala yung siguro gathering information and then helping with the grammar check. One news, one picture. So, pwede lang. Okay? By group to ano pa? Si Tio or Sem, September 8. So, Rochelle will be holding a meeting, a separate meeting for that. Kung sino yung mga i-assign. Okay? Mostly freshies. Yan, may freshies ba? Aside from the newbies. Yung mga newbies yan. Pero if may seniors na walang klase, supervise. Okay, ano pa ba? Okay, seminar natin this coming September. So, we're going to hold our very first seminar. Ilang beses na talaga tumulot. Kasi ayun, naghahanap na tayo ng pera. No? And amazingly, sa tulong ng mga speakers at mga pocket mirrors natin, may pang-ano na talaga tayo, may pang-seminar na tayo. Another thing about the funds, ito ha, Horizon is not actually funded because although accredited organization tayo, umiiwas talaga tayo sa controversy because may publication na yung quiz mismo, which is digest. Okay? So kahit na sila, hindi pa talaga yung mandatory, voluntary yung magbayad. Mag-vote pa naman tayo, di ba? Paano naman parang yung mandatory? So, instead of collecting from the students, we sell merchandise. So, yun na nakikita nyo yung mga pocket mirrors, the, the stickers, ito pinaganda nyo. Bottle pins, of course, ano pa? Mga palaro. Isa pa if you are at the set na profile na mahilig talaga mag-memes, siguro kayo talaga yung kuha ng corona. Okay, ano pa ba? Saan tayo bilang? Kasi pagod na talaga ako. Sige, seminar. So Rachel, you're going to have a separate meeting with them pag alis ko, the venue. So, try lang if pwede sa social call. Pero kasi, hindi kasi talaga yung na-upload yun. So maybe, together with the before, yung ano natin, yung natin. Mas marami kasi. Parang pwede ata. Makahouse ng maraming students. Kasi hindi ako lang airport. Okay? So, maybe 2024. So, yung gagawin nyo, please prepare a letter for the meeting. So, you ask help from the newbies. Sa pag-draft ng letter, yung mga writers. Train nyo na rin sila. And then, for again, kailangan din para yung letter. Isama nyo na rin sa yung letter nyo para kayo authority to conduct. And then, tapos, try to find speakers. Speakers as sound system. Sound system, the mic, and everything. And then, draft a letter, draft sa una, para sa mga i-invite natin mga resources. Okay yung karo Sir Ed. Next naman, the program. The program, that's the program, help the iba. And then, of course, we plan to invite other students from the college, lalo na yung mga language speakers. Okay? So, gagawa kayo ng mga kakulo, postings, pop-mats, na encourage them to register para naman may income generation tayo. Okay? Okay. For the seminar, lahat ng mga positions. Sa morning, meron tayong resource person for the writers, for writing, and then for journalism. I'm thinking sa writing si ano ng siguro. Dating ES na lang namin. Si Jarina na lang. And then sa photojournal, try to see mo one. And then, sa cartoon si Sir James, and then layout, I'll try si JL, advisor na. Yes. Okay, so far yan lang naman. Pero mag-ano kayo ha, mag-communicate kayo with the student. Pero you have to present the budget from yourself. Okay, sige, yun lang. All of those things will be discussed to you by Michelle sa parenting na lang. Okay? Kapag nasa planning stage na kayo. So, I think meron pa kayong activity. Cabbage day, no? Kaya naman yung mga po. Tapos na lang po eh. Doon mo.
Para magkailangan ng mga junior
Okay.
Ano tayo mag-start? Tingnan And sometimes, like kami mga Edward, we have parang conflicts din or yes, nag-aaway din talaga kami. Pero, syempre, we have to be professional and sinasolve namin yung problems namin on our own. Perfect! Yung isa, hindi ka lang naya, pero huwag na natin siya kasi, pero guys, alam niyo, totoo talaga, we are very understanding and if i-address nyo ng properly yung mga problem, mag-solve talaga natin yan. Instead of like, you know, talaga uso dito ang backstabbing, we really try to be, try to give constructive criticism. And hindi talaga, kapag example, meron kami sabihin sa inyo na ginawa niyo mali or kailangan niyo i-revise ko, we don't have any intention na parang ginagawa namin yung talent yung hindi namin na-appreciate. Kaya namin pinakagawa sa inyo pabalik. Kasi nga, we want you to, once again, parang ayusin kung ano yung dapat ayusin. And here we value development and of course collaboration. So I hope everyone understands kung ano ba talaga yung purpose ng Horizon.
Running sentence. Run one fast. Hala?
Hello, Rosie!
Ano, running?
Ano ba?
Running mo?
Ano? Hindi ako English.
Anyway, so yun sinabi ni Michelle, kapag may mga conflicts nila, hindi naman talaga sila nag-aawal sa sabutan, nagsusubukan. Hindi naman gano'n. Hindi naman maabot. And what I would really like to commend sa Edward is hindi talaga nila pinapaalam sa akin na nag-aaway na kasi.
Totoo. Masisi lang. Kaya may umpisi tayo na wala namang game. Eh, doon kami nag-ayaw-yaw. Pero usually guys, yung mga galit naman, galit. Pero like, sometimes, meron talaga naman mabuso, hindi gumagawa ng mga tasks full time, or meron din mga actions na hindi ka-board sa kung ano man yung principle or yung parang establish namin. And magagalit, at some point, magagalit talaga kami. And you have to understand na ginagawa lang namin yun for the betterment, of course, ng publication talaga. Paano
Pero
ba?
expected we would really tell mistakes.
Yes.
Ganon. Yun yung hiningi namin. Na hindi namin sasabihin sa inyo na, so hindi mo lang ka. Tapos, we will tell you straight on if we think that your work still needs improvement. And I think that's something that is very underrated. Kasi you don't really get that kind of criticism. Lalo na kapag people who try to please you, parang talaga. Tapos hindi lang naman ito-post. Diba? Mas better na lang sabihan kayo na you need to improve this and improve that para pa-akbong na tayo. Okay? Yes. Yung iba dito sama ko itong pinasok ko. But really, no, don't get pressured. Especially for the newbies, no? I don't expect you na like perfect lahat ng gagawin niyo. Okay? So yun, we don't really expect you, but we do expect you to try your best in life. Okay, so much for that, no? Kasi baka mamaya matakot kayo. Cabbage cake na kayo. Cabbage cake na. Video naman. Cabbage cake.
What's your love language? What's your love language or the way you usually show care for people? Anong gagawin? All of the above. Over. Ano po? Quality time.
Alam mo rin yung time.
Ay, perfect.
Perfect.
Pwede ka mag-bet.
Next. Wait lang. Ano, advisor pass. Meron na ba? Lakas ang character development. Ay, ano ba? What's one thing you're currently trying to improve about yourself? Yung hindi madaling magamit. Pero ayaw ko kanina.
What is a hobby or interest you're really passionate about and excluding your career?
Hulaan ko. Musicals.
Yes. I just love musicals. I just love watching musicals and listening to stuff and talk about it.
Yeah, epic kid. Oh my God.
Oh
What is the powerhouse of the cell? Hindi ko alam yung explanation, pero sabi ko yung first question. But which is pinapan here.
Ano naman yung biggest house? Hallelujah! Siya daw pag nagsisell. Next! Bahay, kubo, kahirap.
So, do you have any journalism background experience? Yes. Since grade 3 pa ako, part na po talaga ng journalism. Like, part na ako ng editor Caroline Palik. Train na talaga ako ng teacher ko from that time hanggang nung nag-ipan ako dito sa Zamboanga School, nagpasok din ako sa journalism. Tapos, nag-end po ako ng during pandemic kasi wala naman talaga during that time sa school namin parang kami online din parang wala kami nasali sa competition na yun. Tapos during grade 11, like one of the pumasok na ulit kasi like I really want to draw talaga like something like that. Tapos like takot ako that time kasi I know na parang natagal ako na hindi na makapag-draw ng mga like editor kasi bago-bago na yun. Natakot ako kasi mas madami na magaling talaga ng as skills. Tapos, yun na, during grade 12, lumasok ako that time kasi ano din ako ng friend kasi habang like friend ko nag-IC sa trade tapos like ano niya ako na what if magsalita ako ulit. And then yun na, nakapasok ako during that time tapos during that time din, naka-7 days ako sa DSPC. Parang first time ko na parang dami, napunta na ako ng like, parang for the experience na talaga. Tapos yun na, naulan, grade 12, tapos sa Verizon na, nakagaling ako na nagpasok din sa October pa yung sa exact date nung parang sila ng parang document, parang yung mag-join ka or not. Tapos, may makita ko nung natapos na pagkita ng something art or sweet.
Disclaimer, yung skill tinignan ko.
If you're going to ask a senior person guys, who would it be and what is your question? If I were to ask for my senior advice, it would be my senior who is in the field of editorial writing or column writing. Because I am a column writer in my junior high school years and senior high school years. That's why I want to learn something from our seniors, which is the seniors from editorial writing and column writing, who during event.
Okay, ready, go. Stop.
What do you feel about the publication? Ano? Actually, hindi ko naman, first year pa lang kami, nag-wait na kami ng may publication. Kasi nga, hindi namin masyadong, paano ba i-express yung, hindi kami masyadong interested mag-join sa university kasi nga, hindi pa din kami ganun ka-confident sa skills namin. And since first year, nag-wait na talaga kami magkaroon ng publication. And nung na-third year kami, first meeting ba yun, namin with Ma'am Gail kasi first time din namin siya naging teacher. She asked us to like mag-join sa Horizon kasi nga meron na kami meron ng official publication ang CTE, and that's parang siyang dream come true kasi nga after years of waiting, kasi personally I came from St. Joseph, and doon I was also the editor-in-chief ng magazine namin. So I was really hoping na sana meron din yung own natin yung CTE, kasi nga CTE is full of like events, sobrang maganda ng CTE kasi
Wow, talaga ba maganda?
hindi. Hindi maganda siya in the sense na maganda siya in the sense na pag-passionate ka kasi if you choose CTE kasi you have other reasons or kasi wala ka lang choice, mahirap siyang i-appreciate. But if you learn to love CTE along the way, maintindihan niyo yung point of view ng someone na sobrang passionate sa pagtuturo and sa teaching. And also someone na passionate din sa journalism, which is how we express ourselves through writing, through layouts, cartoonist, and sa photos. Sobrang ganda ng experience na makakuha sa publication. So, siguro as an EIC, nakakapagod, sometimes nakaka-frustrate, sometimes you nakapunta, parang na-reach ko na yung point na gusto ko na rin mag-give up kasi, syempre, madami yung influence ng mga other members na wala na sila. But at the same time, kapag makita mo din yung appreciation ng ibang members and how they really work hard, you'll understand how this publication is really like a family sa akin.
Bakit ba yung sinabi ko yun sa klase na mag-plus points?
Sabi na naman ng last point, sabi ko, alam mo, tuloy na tayo, mag-send kami ng application kasi may last points. Pero nag-stay kami dahil sa G12 connection na namin na. And ano?
Yun ba yung first meeting pinakain ko agad yung
Pinakanta kami ng Balong Himo. Next, ano na, bigyan na natin sa mga hindi pa sumasawa. Patapos na yun.
How did you discover the horizon? So, Facebook?
Uy, mabuti yan.
I had a little friend from Egypt that I knew, that I know, that are part of Horizon, and they were sharing the posts of their things. So that's how I discovered Horizon.
Guys, perfect. What's your ritual before writing? Would you rather your piece go viral online or win a journalist award? So I prepare it all. Viral naman ako, nanalo pa ako.
I'm glad. We'll end here. So it's really nice to meet some of you kasi iba dito kilala ko na. Familiar. Oh, ba't natatakot ka ka? Anyway, sorry for the new members na natira dito. Welcome. So, alam niyo na kung gaano kalong yung mga tao dito. So, actually, outside of the org, in class, I really take on the role as a teacher talaga. But within the organization, different young teacher. Thank you.